Many of you have tried bringing Blender projects into After Effects, only to face endless issues. No smart masking, heavy workflows like TrueMatte, broken layers, cameras, nulls, and countless bugs that waste most of your compositing time. The good news? In this video, we're fixing all of that. Zero setup, just compositing. Today, I want to introduce you to an add-on that completely changes the game, TrueMatte. This add-on delivers a comprehensive, precise, and fully automated workflow that blows every other transfer tool out of the water. It automatically generates highly accurate masks for every object, names everything properly, transfers the camera and nulls perfectly, and, unlike other add-ons, it doesn't bring in heavy 3D geometry like OBJs or FBXs that force you to redo matting or rotoscoping. Instead, it creates clean, lightweight layers that are ready to use right away, while still giving you a proper 3D space in After Effects. All the masking and rotoscoping is handled automatically with incredible accuracy. I'm really proud to tell you that TrueMatte is a product developed right here at the DeepBlendArt Academy. We built it to solve exactly these pain points, and today I'm thrilled to show it to you. Let me quickly walk you through how it works. TrueMatte consists of two parts, the main engine in Blender and a companion panel in After Effects. As you can see on screen, the Blender side has a very clean and simple interface. It starts with export settings, where you really only need to set two main things. First, all the objects you want to mask or use for rotoscoping need to be inside a dedicated collection. So, for example, I'll take these 3 cubes, put them into a new collection called Cubes, and then point TrueMatte to that collection. Second, choose your output path. I'll just drop it into a test folder on my drive. Next, you have Analysis Accuracy, rated from 1 to 10. 10 gives you the highest precision. For simpler scenes with fewer objects, 7 or 8 is often more than enough, but I usually recommend sticking with 9 or 10 because the process is so fast anyway. You also have 2 handy checkboxes, Export Camera and Export Nulls, so you can bring those over if needed. Let's do a quick test. I'll select about 50 frames, animate the camera a bit, and move the objects around so we have some nice parallax going on. I'll also add a ground plane, but this time I'll leave it outside the collection so you can see how the add-on handles it. I'll enable Export Camera and Export Nulls, set accuracy to 10, and hit Start Processing. Watch this. It finishes in under 10 seconds. All the data is quietly written to the output folder. Now we jump to After Effects. I've already installed the AE side of TrueMatte. Full installation guide is included, of course. All you do here is click Import Build, point it to the same output folder, and let it run. In just a few seconds, everything appears. Camera, nulls, 3D space, and perfectly accurate masks for every object. No manual setup required. Let's try something more interesting. Here's a scene with 2 animated cubes scaling and moving around, nicely lit. I'll select the collection, set the output path, enable camera and nulls, and hit Start Processing again. Done in seconds. Back in AE, import the build, and there we go. Even the ground plane I didn't include in the collection is handled correctly. All masks are ready. I've also rendered out the beauty pass beforehand. When I bring it in, everything lines up perfectly. I can drop new elements on top, and they respect the occlusion automatically. For example, changing the color of one cube is trivial. Add an adjustment layer, apply a color effect, and set the cube's mask as its track matte. Boom. Perfect result, shadows and all, using overlay mode. Same for the ground plane, just invert the matte. Or let's place something between the 2 cubes. I'll add a text layer that says TrueMatte, make it a 3D layer so it follows the camera, and use the front cube's mask as an alpha matte, inverted. It instantly sits perfectly in depth, no extra rotoscoping needed. Without TrueMatte, getting this level of clean occlusion would have taken hours of manual rotoscoping and masking, full of errors and headaches. Here, you get 99.9% mathematical accuracy instantly. To really push it, let's try a complex scene with 400 to 500 animated objects. I'll select the collection containing the cubes I want to isolate, enable camera and nulls, set accuracy to 10, and start processing. Still super fast. In After Effects, import the build and watch it create over 800 layers in under a minute, each perfectly named and masked. The precision is insane. I can duplicate the beauty pass, apply effects like hue saturation through individual masks, and tweak any object independently. The nulls are there too for 3D parenting and advanced compositing setups. TrueMatte will officially launch in the next couple of weeks on major marketplaces, Blender Market, Gumroad, and AE Scripts at around $25. If you'd like to pre-order and support the final polish, we've set up a Tether wallet address. You'll find it in the video description. Any contribution of $10 or more will secure you a permanent pro license once we launch, as a big thank you for the early support. It really helps us squash the last bugs and deliver the best possible version to everyone. Whether you pre-order now or grab it on release day, I can't wait to see what you create with TrueMatte. Our motto is zero setup, just compositing. Thanks so much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.